And does working, Mr. Rahman, does working with Shankar sir always feel like you're also climbing the Everest along with him?
I think we kind of inspire mutually because love is energy.
Yeah.
And working with people like that also pushes you up. And then I play him stuff which I do abroad in Hollywood. And we have these moments of great exchange. And he's a visionary and he's always ahead of the times. And he has got this amazing sensibilities where he can satisfy all what they say ABC, which I don't like splitting people into ABC, but I feel like he's got this unique capability to reach out to everyone.
And I suppose your combination, which has already been so exceptionally legendary, the great work that you'll have done together, does always living up to the history that you created before always create that kind of sensation that you have to do even better this time? Does that pressure ever bog you down?
It's there, but we enjoy what we do. Every bit of it. He loves to sit with every instrument. Even when I'm taking overdub for an instrument, he loves to sit and watch it. And that's the beauty. It's not like, I'm in shooting, you finish it and send me. He's not that kind. So that's the beauty, and he is part of the music. Every
great.
bit of it.
Well, we can't wait, as I said. And we have a nervous producer who's all smiles, but nervous to answer any further questions that we already, so we won't torture him anymore.
He's told me everything, whatever you want to ask him. I'm going to answer for him because he's
So
told
I'm
me
going to ask
everything.
you.
He says, yeah, he says that even when he has to give a speech to all his workers and all, he never comes. He never talks. He just quietly stands there. And I think he's too humble for this now.
So I'm going to pretend you're the producer, Akshay,
Yeah, go
then,
ahead. I
and
would
ask
love
you.
to be this producer of this film.
So as the producer of the film, what made you put this kind of money into it?
Sorry?
As the producer, what initiated you to put this kind of wealth in this film?
Well, I believe in this subject, and I believe that this movie is going to create history. I believe that I'm putting money on a scientist who's going to take this movie and change the whole history of Indian cinema. So that's all right.
Whoa. Well, truly it is Mr. Subhash Karan. Thank you very much for your vision, your confidence, and all the energy that you provided.
Thank you very much for this question. For this, you'll get one Leica phone free.
Thank you. Very good. I'm very happy. Anything free is always welcome. And now we will go to 2.0 version to Akshay Kumar. Akshay, it's amazing that, that there's this collaboration. When it was announced, there was such tremendous energy. And for you to walk into a comfortable zone, as in their comfort zone, how did that feel? When you walked into this, there with these leading lights, literally all of them who have done such exceptional work together with each other and apart from you.
Well, I'll tell you something. I have, to be honest, I never do makeup.
Yeah.
I have never done makeup in my life. It's been 25 years. I never put any kind of makeup. But this movie, I have done all the makeup of these 25 years into this. And I swear to God, 3 hours I had to sit on a chair. I don't know how many films I've watched on television just while they are doing some makeup on me. And it used to take 1 hour to remove this makeup. So my patience level has increased. Like, I'm already a very patient guy, but with this, I have increased my patience level a lot. And trust me, I'm very thankful to Shankar sir, to Rajni sir, to Subhashji, to allow me to be a part of this film. And I was very shocked when they chose me to enact in front of Rajni sir, whose fan we all have been. So it has been a great honor.